Good morning, guys. Let's have a look and see what we're looking at today. Okay, what are we looking at today? Today we're looking at, wow, all these inside 4-hour bars. That's interesting. Guys, I haven't had a look at the chart yet, so we're going to go through this from the beginning together and see what price has done. I should have left my buy open, but I didn't leave my buy open. I closed it at 8 hours. So I closed my trade at 8R and I looked for a sell position into this order block down here, probably even this order bank position down here. I ended up taking a loss, so I got a win and a loss yesterday. What I currently see is this high up here. This is a strong high because this high has broken this last piece of structure. So essentially what we should see is a break of the structure down here. So we should react to something up here, but I found a 1 minute order block, not a 1 minute, a 1 hour order block up here. Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well today. I'm feeling nice and fresh. It's cold in Durban. And yeah, welcome. Let's see if we can throw some fire this morning. Hey, yeah, can we please just have a moment of silence? Probably about a minute. I'm gonna time it for everybody that invested in Clinton Fester's copy trading. He has blown his account this morning. So 1 minute of silence for the fallen soldiers, please. Okay, that was good enough. Alright, let's see what's going on. Yeah, guys, Festex blew his account this morning. Professional trader managing 15 million rands worth of money. Suck a fat one, man. Blowing every single cent. Zero equity this morning. Okay, so we've got this demand down here that has been created, but there's no real confluences, you know, there's no breaks of structure, there's nothing really that's going on. So what we need to work with is this huge liquidity spike up here, because you need to work with what price gives you. You can't just be like, okay, cool, we need to like wait and wait and wait. No, you can't just always wait for trades. Got a huge liquidity spike here, just man, it took out so much liquidity. You then have this 4-hour leg break this piece of structure here. Now we're seeing a retracement. So if we had to put our premium discount tool on, guys, I'm going to be dropping a video today on how to be setting up your charts SMC style. It will be a free video for our free members. It'll be our first piece of YouTube content that we'll be posting, but I will film it today and I'll get it out to you guys. Welcome to all the new people that have joined. We've got some very interesting price action forming at the moment. We'll just go through it. Hey, welcome Ethan. Crypto Worm, what's happening, brother? Yeah, sure. Called a good trade yesterday, hey? And that was my first 3 minutes on the charts. Your days generally go like that. It's just, yeah, just depends, obviously, it just depends, but every day won't be like that. Prepare for some losers, prepare for losers, always be prepared for losers. Okay, so what we can see is price has retraced back into premium of our 4-hour leg, so I'm expecting price now to come and break this structure. Yeah, I don't see anything clear to enter on right now, but we've got this piece of structure and this 1 hour demand that's been created. We could get a reaction off that, we could find an entry, because remember, in order for us to get our 10R or 8.33R per trade that we're looking for, we can trade pullbacks because we're trading off 4-hour zones. So we can trade pullbacks, we can trade with the trend, we can trade against the trend. It doesn't really matter. As long as you're choosing a very strong 4-hour zone to trade from, you'll be valid. Hey, viciously potent. What's going on, Seb? How are you, my boy? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. So, guys, what I can see at the moment is nothing too interesting, I'll be honest with you. I'm waiting for price to retrace down into, this is for today, down into this weekly order block, because if you go into the weekly, in 2002 price created quite a strong order block. It's 2002. Yeah, check. So here's 2002. Big momentum was pumped into the market here. Big momentum was pumped in here. So we're working with this 1 hour of this weekly sponsor candle here. This one here. What is this? Delete. Delete. So that is our weekly point of interest, and we have got orders lane just above that bad boy. So if I was going to look for entry on Euro USD right now, messy charts, guys, but I'm so busy on my charts. Like, these are my actual active charts that I trade from. So you guys can see like what my results have been for the last week. See, we've got absolutely no structure created here, so there's nothing to work with. The last low that was created is down here, so this is our swing structure down here. So we're working with a huge range. We're working with this range from here to all the way up here. Hola, hola, mi amigo. How are you doing?
I'm on Gucci. I'll be on mute, but I'm watching.
Okay, man's gotta be silent. Okay, so yeah, this is on the 1 hour, guys. This is what I'm seeing on the 1 hour. Yeah, I tried to get a sell in yesterday. I got a sell position in like here, but it took me out. It took me out, unfortunately. So we're working with a very wide range at the moment, guys. There's been no pullbacks for structure or anything like yeah, so we just need to now just wait and see what price does. We've got this 4 hour order block down here that I'm moving around now. I need to see what price does, because there's an order parking in there. There's a whole order parking in this order block. It's literally just a waiting game. GBP USD, pretty much the same situation. It did provide us an entry, but I don't trade GU. I want to start looking at refining everything for GU so that I can add it to my arsenal, because it's quite potent. It's quite potent because it provided us a beautiful entry here yesterday. And it ran to full TP. No, it didn't. Almost to full TP. If you go on the 4 hour, what are we doing? Since I know GU likes to retrace to extremes, I would wait for a retracement into this order block down here, or I'd wait for liquidation further into this order block and then a buy into one of these zones. But we'll just need to wait and see. GJ. Okay, so this structure is still intact on GJ. Let me zoom in a bit more. The structure is still intact. What is that? This is our 4-hour swing structure on GJ. Can't even be this really. That's one damn candle. Shit. Yeah, the banks came to play last week, guys. Banks came to play. And we got into those moves on EU, which was nice. Okay, so I'm waiting for retracement still into this order block down here, because there's liquidity above this order block. So I'd wait for this to be taken out, and then I'll be looking for longs. So at the moment, the most recent price action longs from this order block up here. Yeah, Mr. Justin Green, thank you for the question, brother. Yes, that is correct. The last down candle before a bullish move will be your order block. But you need to refine it depending. Experience will tell you, but generally the last down candle before like your move up and vice versa will be your order block. But you need to be careful because the wicks come into play, liquidity grabs come into play, your confluences have to meet up. There's a few things that go into choosing your order blocks. I know we got a few bad boys on here trading USD JPY, so let's have a look at UJ. Morning Jacques, how is it going, brother? How are you? Yeah, so we're just waiting for a retracement on UJ into this gap over here. I will see what the reaction is. Might give us some bullish momentum into this 140 area. Got a nice bank order sitting up there. USD ZAR, I know Rohan's been trading USD ZAR. Hey, my bro. Beautiful, man. Okay. Yeah, so would have got a sell position off there. Currently got this demand, but this demand hasn't really broken structure. I'll expect for this to fail, I'll be honest with you. That should fail because this is a weak high up here. So that weak high, and that's a strong high. Yeah, this is a strong high, bro. And this is a weak low. So what do? We target weak lows, we target weak highs, because strong highs and strong lows are protected. Because banks' interests lay beyond those levels. So yeah, let's see what happens with that. Nasdaq. Ooh, absolutely tankers. Absolutely tankers. I told you guys up here to sell Nasdaq, not to buy. Beautiful. Okay, so for Nasdaq, there's been a whole bunch of imbalance created that has to retrace at some point into some level. So I would wait for more of a corrective retracement to fill up some of those gaps in the market into there and to tank more. Where should Nasdaq go? Where should Nasdaq go? Nasdaq should go. Nasdaq should go lower lows. 11,000. That's just order flow. This is how it should work. You'll get your leg that pulls in. Your leg will probably pull in from here to here. Price will retrace from here into premium, back down, create another leg. So it's just order flow that we're following to get this stuff. Okay. What else? Gold. Let's have a look at gold. Let's see what's happening with gold, my friends. Gold is tanking. Gold is tanking. Here we got a huge piece of major structure that's been broken. So we should see a retracement into most likely this wick over here, to be fair. That's what I think we'll see a retracement into. We don't have any breaks of structure or any structure formed here. Price action is just being quite messy. That is very bullish, so for gold most likely we'll wait for a retracement into this range created demand, and I'll probably look for buyers into this level here. Messy price action for any people that have started trading this year. Yeah, you guys chose a difficult time to start trading because it's been quite price action has been really messy. Like, look at this, order blocks just not being smashed, imbalance being hit. AUD USD, ORD USD just broken, so we should retrace into an order block up here somewhere. Remember guys, I don't trade these pairs, I only mark them up for you. I trade Euro USD, this is my bad boy. Let's see what my child is doing. Yeah, so for today all I'm going to be looking for is I'll probably look for this to be broken. If this gets broken, I might have a look at what breaks it. But other than that, I'll just wait for a retracement into this demand down here. And I'll look for longs up into specific areas. Yeah. If this order block fails, I'll be looking for orders from the weekly. Remember, we've got a strong weekly zone down here. We're looking for bars out of the zone. We also do have orders sitting above this zone. Yeah, I need to change my colors. Expect a retracement, deep retracement into EU. I actually would be looking for sells. That's just what price action tells me, but this could just also be a range created demand. If you are in any positions, take 50% of your position off. That's what I would do just to be safe in case it retraces, smashes that stop loss. At least you've taken half of your partials at like fucking 10R, which is actually full TP. But should I actually take full TP every time at 10R? It just works out quite well that way. I will update premium members on what is going on, but I will have alerts on here. Alerts on here. Thank you. And I'll have an alert down here just to know what happens with this range. If price breaks it to the top or the bottom, I want to see what broke it, you know. So we have had rules for pullback here, so if it breaks we do have swing points, so we've got some structure to work with. Price just needs to play on a bit more so that we can judge a bit more and see what story price action wants to tell us for the day. But I think she's going down from here because I know there's one big order lying here. It's just been messing about, and I think it's coming down to come collect orders down here. Hey, we got quite a few people on here. Sorry, I haven't even checked it all. Welcome all our new members. Welcome to our Discord. I hope we can provide you with some beautiful value. Euro USD is currently in our premium of our 4-hour leg. So sells would be in favor for Euro USD. Euro USD is the only pair that I trade. If you are good enough, one pair is all you will need to make yourself sufficient wealth for the rest of your life. Cool. Any questions, guys? Okay, yeah, here we go. I'm struggling with your entries. Yeah, guys, I'm struggling with my entries. Like, I read the charts very good, and it's like everything happens like I plan. But it's like I'm always waiting on that extra confirmation. Okay, yeah. Jock, go through the new premium education I've just posted. Have you looked at it yet? go under education. You are a premium member. Go have a look at it. Go look at the PDF run through. And no, actually go look at all those videos. All of you premium members, go look at that new PDF run through I've put on. It'll answer all of your questions. Unless you have studied that thing, try not to come back with questions, because the first question I'm going to ask you is, have you studied the PDF and watched the videos? So make sure you've studied it, gone through the videos, and once you think you've got a grasp of it, but you still can't understand a few things, chat me, bro. Chat me, I'll help you. No problem. No problem. Also, guys, what I've just spotted is we got some trendline liquidity that's formed up here. So, hey, that is perfect. That might just be taken out, eh? So, let's just see what price has to tell us today. What else there? Okay, so for entries, yeah, dude, just go through the videos that I posted last night on YouTube. Check our education channel. The question that you're asking, I think the answer will be in that entry models video, brother. I think it'll be there. If not, private message me. You got my number, bro. Just if looking at a trade and looking to achieve 10R, would we not start taking partials on that trade? No partials until 10R. Thank you very much for your question. No, okay, so just from testing, we have seen that 10R gets smashed regularly. If the trade gets activated and runs, it's running for 10R. And like you can see, here's one that ran for 10R up here. Here's one that ran for 10R up here. Here's one that ran for 4.5. I actually closed that one. Here's one that ran for 12. This one also ran for 10. This one also ran for 10. So like just from testing, okay, not 10R. Okay, it used to be 10, but we've adjusted the stop losses. It's 8.33R at the moment. So we just let trade run full volume to TP. Don't fuck with it. At TP2, at where would TP2 would be at 2R, you all you do is you move your stop loss to break even, and that's it. This way, man, you recover losses. You recover losses, bro. So well, so well. So full 8.33R, you'll see 12 pip stop loss. Just played with this one here. 12 pip stop loss, 100 pip take profit, 8.33R. That is you for the day, my man. If you're risking 2.2%, that's 16% in your account for the day. Put it off and chill. Don't trade again. If you've taken 3 losses, put it off. Don't trade again. Let's just see what price happens. What happens with price? I'll update premium members on what's happening to the price on the bottom or the top. Nothing too interesting. I think I'm gonna have quite a chill day today, to be fair. I'll just wait for my alerts to go off. Premium members, you'll know exactly what's cutting. I thank everybody on YouTube that has joined us today. I have started streaming on YouTube. So I thank all the YouTube members for joining us today. Highly appreciate it. And I hope we can provide you guys with some decent value. Okay, guys, for today, if you have any questions with your charts, if anything looks too confusing, premium members, send it into our trade assistance. We'll sort you out. Yeah. Anything else, guys? I'm about to call it a day. Nothing interesting at all from my side. I've got a few things to do, and the weather's quite shit. I'm gonna actually chill today. I can delete this. Guys, any questions from today's live stream? Anything else you want me to have a look at for you? Yo, what's Ethan been doing on this live stream? Man's been doing nothing. I think man's having problems with load shedding, I'll be fair. And where's everybody from? Funny. Yeah, let me know where you guys are from. There's a few new people in here. I'd like to know where you guys are from. And Booyah, welcome. I saw you joined yesterday. If it breaks above parity, would I consider longs? Where's parity at? So let me put parity on quickly. So price is currently if price breaks above where it currently is, would I consider longs? No, bro. I would never consider, just consider longs. I will not consider a trade unless price retraces down into here or breaks the structure. Those are the only two times I would consider trades. You don't just trade in the middle of a leg like this. That's such reckless trading. Because it's forming a range, it's forming a demand level. So it's forming like here. This is probably going to be a doji on the daily. It's probably going to end up in the same spot. But yeah, we will never just consider buys or sells in any like random region. We'll always wait for some sort of confirmation, like a break of structure or a retracement into a demand zone. At the moment, I'm actually waiting for sells because I'm waiting for banks to open because I know banks have orders here, and I want to see what the price does to this current zone. And I think it's going down because I know where they have orders. They got orders everywhere. Pollsmoor Prison, Cape Town. Welcome, my brother. I've spent some time in Robben Island. It's cold and dusty. From Cape Town. Hey, we've got Edenvale. We even got Nigeria up in here. From the UK. Oh, welcome everybody. Pretoria. Okay. Oh, I love it. Yes. Okay, I love the diversity, guys. We are going to change the whole trading game in this group. But we just need to start waiting for price to move, and then we can start changing things. But at the moment, we're chilling. Hands off the keyboard. No triggers ready to be pulled. We're just waiting for confirmations now, right? If I was still in my long position, I would not be in my long position because it would be past 8.33R. If you are currently running 10R in that trade, close your trade. Yeah, and then wait for another one. As I said before I shut off here, guys, I will be waiting for price to come and take out these lows and react to this weekly demand. That's what I'm waiting for today. Any news? Let's recap news quickly, just really sharp. Economic sentiment, okay. I get the news 10 minutes before. Well, the Smart Money Collective founders get the news 10 minutes before it's actually released to like Forex Factory and stuff like that. So what we'll do is we'll release the news releases as soon as they're released in our news channels. We will put it in our global news. Rowan, global news or macroeconomics? We'll decide, one of the two. We'll let you know. But we have got some news today, yeah? At 3, and we've got at 11. So we'll just see what price does. What news does is it pushes price where it needs to go quicker. News doesn't change price. It pushes price where it already needs to go, but it just does it quicker. That's all it does. Because the feds know what they want to do with the money. They control the money. All the news releases just pushes the money quicker where they want it to go. So that's what we're waiting for. A news release to show us where's the next order, where's market flowing to. And once we know that, we can set up trades. But at the moment, hands off the keyboards, don't place any trades. Unless you're looking at other pairs and things are looking interesting, but Euro USD, hands off. And Bitcoin. Crypto's just eating it, eh? Eating it, absolutely munching it. Yeah, guys, I do think we're still going to eat a tank on Bitcoin. We'll see a retracement up into this zone here, and I think we're going to hit that 17 to 15 zone sitting right down there. Ethereum. Yeah, same thing. There seems to be quite a bit of momentum on Ethereum. I know that merge is coming and it's quite interesting. I want to see what happens. I don't own any crypto at the moment. I know like it needs to drop a bit. It needs to drop a bit. Just waiting for this bear run to be done. It's not finished yet. There's a nice big sponsor candle here. What other pairs am I looking for in my weekly checklist? Absolutely nothing, brother. I only trade Euro USD, and that keeps me busy enough, eh? Keeps me busy enough. I also just find that Euro USD, there's a lot of liquidity in the market. Like, hey, my boy, do you want breakfast? My boy's asking for breakfast. I'll feed you now. Go. Yeah, it's a very fluid pair. Like, there's a lot of bank orders lying everywhere, and it just moves quite well. It gives you a lot of entries, especially there's also a lot of news events. So the more news events there are, the more certain you can be of a move. So if there's like 2 news events and news comes out strong in a certain direction, it'll push price where it needs to go. And if you're looking at an order block and news has spiked it into that order block, it's going to give you a trade. Ricky question: how do you work out how many RRs? Easy days, brother, easy days. So you put out your long position tool. Okay, your long position tool will be here. You can go into edit it. Okay. Your profit level is going to be 1,000 points. Your stop level is going to be 120 points. Okay, that'll give you your risk reward tool, and that'll give you your your RR over here, 8.3 RR. See that there? So 12 pip stop loss, 100 pip take profit will give you your 8.33 R standard. Yes, I do have my alerts set. I'll alert you guys on what is going on. Thank you so much for the love and support. I'm considering going live later, doing some back testing. I'm deciding whether I'm going to do a silent backtesting session or whether I'm going to commentate it, but we'll see. But I'm thinking about doing a backtesting session today. I will notify all the members on that. But as for now, I'm sending you guys a lot of love. Thank you so much for the support we have received. If you got any questions you need answered, don't hesitate asking us. We're more than willing to help you guys. Oh yeah, we'll go live again later, no problem. We'll do some backtesting later. Just in the mornings, I'm a bit busy in the mornings, but let me get my side hustle done for the day, then we'll get onto the back testing with the members. Love to give you something like that. Haven't done that yet, and I will also stream it to YouTube and record it so that you guys can go back and look at it. Yeah, hey guys, I'm gonna love and leave you guys. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll spot you guys later for a bit of back testing. Ethan is not in here to take over. Yeah, cheers guys, I'll spot you guys a bit later. Peace and love, thanks for joining.